Hi everybody, this is Jay from Ashworth Group. So today I'm going to show you around an absolute stunner of a property. I must say this one's unique and it has to be probably the best property that we've seen and worked in with Ashworth over the last 23 years. This is an absolute privilege for us. Now we're working on this property over the course of 2 days. We are doing multiple jobs in this place. We're doing a professional clean firstly, and then we are doing a snagging report. The property is being sold by my client and he just wants it to be absolutely perfect for the new owner who moves in a couple of days. So I'd like to introduce you to Aspen House in Chigwell. Aspen House is a big 8-bedroom, 8-bathroom, basement gym, jacuzzi, swimming pool, a 20-car garage also in the basement. We've got about 40, possibly even 50 acres of land surrounding the house. It's picturesque to say the least. Now, without further ado, let me show you around. Enjoy. So there you go, Aspen House. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we have.